Okay YouTube, what's going on? Real quick, I have a little video for you, just an unboxing of some sneakers that I got recently. Not sure if you know, but my birthday was last week. Yes, another year, and I'm getting older. I still feel good, I feel spry, I feel young, I feel fresh. So what I'm gonna be doing here is just unboxing these Air Jordans that I got. Not sure if I want to keep them or not, but we'll check them out together. You guys let me know what you think. You ready? Let's go. Real quick, you guys, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so you don't miss a thing. So, no further ado, I'm gonna pop the top on these bad boys. These are the Air Jordan Retro 3 Tinker NRG. And got my size, 11.5. Don't worry about it. Here we go. Nice wrapping, some elephant print on the wrapping paper there, as you can see. And right off the bat, I can notice a few things here. You can see here, it's got a nice little leather there on that midsole, and you got the Tinker Hatfield hang tag hanging off of there. If I wore these, I'd probably have to wear them with the hang tag, I'm not gonna lie. Dope. We got the Nike Air in the back for sure. You see the Nike swoosh here. This wasn't originally on the Air Jordan Retro 3s, and so that's pretty cool. And then one other little thing, it looks like it's got a Tinker Hatfield signature in there on the tongue. Pretty dope if I do say so myself. Sweet, these joints are dope. I don't know, I'm kind of on the fence. I want to know what you guys think. Should I rock these or should I sell these? Honestly, I'm a grown man. I don't know if I could pull off some of these kicks that I used to be able to pull off back in the day. So, you know, with that being said, when I do get a chance to cop a dope pair, if I can't wear it myself, then I'll pass it on to the next person. Let you guys rock them. Got the Nike on the sole there on the bottom. These are hard, man. Reminds me of my youth, man. Bringing me back right now. Memories. Got the embroidered Nike there on the inside, and then also you guys probably can't see, but the inner sole in there has got like some stitching with Tinker Hatfield's signature in there, and then also like a picture blueprints of the shoe. But let's see what this other joint looks like. Looks like that's it for the box. No other hidden surprises or anything inside there. But and this one, no hang tag, but you know, it's got everything else you need, everything else you want. These joints are cool. I don't think I can do it though. I'm gonna probably sell them. Let me know in the comment section below, you guys. Should I keep them? Should I sell them? Should they stay? Should they go? What do you guys think? Are these a smash or a pass? Let me know. I think I'm gonna put a link in the description to the eBay page where these will be sold at. If you want them, they're gonna be first come, first serve, so you better get out there and get them. I know these were a hard cop when they dropped. Lots of places sold out. Got mine on the sneakers app. Won the raffle there. There they are. The Nike Air Jordan Retro 3 Tinker NRG. I don't know, maybe I might keep them. I don't know. Well, we'll see. That's it, you guys. I just wanted to unbox these real quick, show you what I'm working with, But tell you what, I got some other sneakers that should be coming in shortly. So when those get here, I'm gonna unbox those as well. Plus, I'm selling off half of my collection, probably probably actually more like 2/3 of my collection. A lot of them are gonna be gone, so look out for that video. It should be coming soon. If it's ready by the end of this video, I'll put a link and a card up here for you guys to click on so you can watch that. It'll just be a showcase of my Jordan collection and which shoes will be going up for sale, and also which shoes are my favorites, and those will be the ones that won't be and those will be the ones that will not be being sold. But in any case, that's it for me, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and go ahead and share it with someone who's a sneakerhead like me who would appreciate an unboxing of a dope pair of kicks. And also don't forget to check out some of my other videos. Till next time, you guys, peace.